Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa. Yeah, my friends, let's check here Faraday Future one more time. I have to do an update because we squeezed yesterday again 147%. It is not the squeeze what is killing me, guys, it's the volume. We had again 1.35 billion volume. Ticker is of course FFAI. Yeah, guys, so when you know what is going behind the scenes, I covered here Faraday Future already a few months on my channel, and it was very predictable where we squeeze. We had this kind of trend channel pattern here since a few months. We are active here in this pattern here since 2023 December. We built this kind of downtrend channel, so that was very easy to make some nice swing trades here. I know a lot of people buying here or bought Faraday Future in a much higher price level, so I want to give you an update here. But as I said, I predicted here already 3 squeezes successfully on my channel for this ticker. As I said, just check out the previous videos. And yeah, this guys here is by far the absolute monster squeeze. So when we see the complete price action, including yesterday, we had here an all-time low of 3 cents and 80. So we squeezed here now in total, I think almost 2000, more than 2000%. It's now 2500%, guys. And what you can see, if you didn't see my video from yesterday, so as I said, as soon as we left the trend channel here, that was the beginning of a new pattern for Faraday Future. So this trend channel is over. Of course, it's not possible to touch this trend channel anymore since the price would end up in the minus. And when you understand how trading works, this is also how I could predict the next squeeze here. I draw this blue box where I said in my last video, also in the video before this squeeze here, that I expect the squeeze to happen in this time range here. If it not get delisted, this is very important, guys. Yeah, I still have no delisting entry for Faraday Future, so I guess the hearing panel is giving them maybe a 180-day extension. I have no confirmation on that, so please wait. But yeah, based on this price action here, when they even can come back over $1, this is one thing that which they need for the listing here on the Nasdaq. And yeah, the market capital, of course, guys, they need higher market capital. But when we calculate now the amount of shares, and if they would go over $1, so the amount of float which we have is now, I think, 38 million. So when we say $1, 38 million, then we are over 35 million market capital. If they can stay there for more than 10 consecutive business days, guys, this is very important. Yeah. So why do we see this short squeeze here, guys? Because the float from Faraday Future is 95% short. This is, in my opinion, impossible. That would mean that just 4% of retail investors holding the float. And yeah, guys, I know a lot of people here. Some of my friends or also from closer people I know, they are invested here. So I can absolutely not imagine that just 4% of the people holding the float. So this is not a short squeeze, not yet, because I think they start to cover here some synthetic shares because maybe they don't get delisted. That could be one of the triggers. As I said, we have to wait here for the SEC filings, but this is not a short squeeze yet, guys, because this is, I think, covering of the synthetic shares, and this will now lead into a much higher short squeeze if the short sellers cannot control the price. The price levels, guys, we had yesterday here one attempt to close this open gap at 99 cents. By the way, for everybody who maybe missed this squeeze here, missed the right point to enter here, I would be very careful, guys, to FOMO in. We have a lot of short squeezes here in the market. I have the so-called hot stocks here on my channel. This is how I call them. So I make here every week video uploads for tickers where I try to predict short squeezes. And we had yesterday one of these hot stocks, guys, squeezed yesterday also. 348% in just 2 days here. The bottom was in here and we squeezed 348%, 154% just yesterday. You can check the ticker out. The ticker is AWIN. I made the video here that was the last day of, also before we started the trading week of the month May. And now you can see here 2 weeks later we had a squeeze of 348%. Check those tickers out, guys. The link is here in the video description. If you want to see the so-called hot stocks here, then you can access them by using the Elite Circle membership here on YouTube or the Ultimate Black Belt membership on Patreon, which is a little bit more popular now, or becoming more popular. I just started this here a few weeks ago because I also post their trading alerts, so screenshots where you can see the entry price levels, exit price levels, stop loss, and so on for other short squeeze stocks or swing trade plays. Yeah, so guys, the price levels now for Faraday Future. If you don't know how to trade Fibonacci retracement, so the trigger for this short squeeze was the 0.5 level. This is for every stock the same, guys. When you make Fibonacci retracements and as soon as a stock gets support here on the 0.5 level with volume, guys, this is always triggering a squeeze. It was the same for Faraday Future. The technical setup for short squeeze stocks are always the same. We have now here two significant price levels here. I said the first one is 30 cents. So you can see when we had the first squeeze, we got rejected here, but we gapped up. So we have also one open down gap here in the chart. That's why I would be very careful, guys. Yeah, that can drop any day soon. The volume is completely crazy, no matter what happens. So I can tell you that from the beginning, no matter what happened here with Faraday Future, no matter how deep we will fall down, with this volume, guys, if this stock gets not delisted, with this volume, we will see for 100%, guys, we will see a post squeeze. So as I said, if you missed this one here, guys, don't be worried. It will come back and we will have another squeeze. I don't know if it will be 2000%. We have to measure that after the retracement here, but that will be also a few 100%. So, and the next significant price level here after the 30 cent level is 76 cent, guys, and we got rejected here yesterday. So we tried to close the open gap at 99 cents, and you can see we have now here this huge candle wick. So when we see the total pullback which we had here after the almost gap close here of 99 cents, we pulled back here 27%. It's not too much. 76 cents is the price level where I think the short sellers have to keep the price below, and of course especially below $1. And when we switch now here to the 4 hours chart, then you can see that in the aftermarket here they try to bring the price over 76 cents, and we closed here. The problem is when we want to confirm this price level, we need here a full candle body here over 76 cents. As I said, this is the level which I identify here as a potential resistance. So what happens today? When we close over 76 cents, guys, then I think we will go here for the gap close in the daily chart. So I will draw that for you here as well. So this is what I think will happen. Then the next liquidity zone, the next resistance zone is this red box here, guys. So everything here between $1.07 and $1.34 is the next price call. If we could continue, guys, with this volume here, which is completely crazy. Yeah, we had 1.5 billion volume the day before. Yesterday we had 1.35 billion. So if we can continue like that with this volume, then it should be possible, guys, when we come over. Yeah, if we come over, this red box is the next resistance level here between $1.07 and $1.33. If we can come over this price level, guys, yeah, then you can see that here we have one more open gap at $1.99. And in my opinion, a very strong resistance is waiting at $2.15, guys. Yeah, this is not visible here in the chart. So I will draw that for you because I made some measurements here in the background, and this is here also one of a very strong resistance. It's not always a fixed line, I would say here. Everything here in this box, so I will draw that red in the chart, is one of the next resistance levels for Faraday Future. Yeah, guys, congratulations to everyone who is in this trade, and I hope you already took some profit. So that means 2,500% squeeze. You could make 20x your money here. Absolute crazy. If you want to copy, guys, here the lines which I draw on the chart, this is TradingView what I use here. You can also check out here the link in the video description. I have a discount code here for TradingView. When you use that link, you get $15 discount on your TradingView tier. I always recommend for beginners and advanced traders the plus tier, guys. Yeah, also the links to the memberships are here in the video description. I can just recommend to check them out. We're growing here every day, and I also present a lot of hot stock tickers here, short squeeze tickers, which you normally don't find on YouTube, guys, like this one here, AWIN. Check this ticker out, which just squeezed 348% yesterday. Guys, I wish you great success here with Faraday Future and all the other stocks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute, take care, bye bye, guys.